Hi everybody, this is Sir Chad, back another day with another unboxing and probably a short review. Here today on my table I have a soundbar that is going to be a Christmas gift for my brother. And he himself is not into technology at all, doesn't care about speakers. He only plays everything as loud as possible until it breaks. That's about it. And I think that he needs a soundbar. I recommended for him for a while ago, but he is very anti stuff in general. So when I asked him what he wanted, he said he absolutely doesn't want a soundbar with a subwoofer. He doesn't want anything standing on the floor, which I can understand. It's much easier to clean when you don't have anything on the floor. So I started looking for a soundbar that is good enough without a subwoofer. I am super happy with my JBL soundbar, and I am super happy with the JBL soundbar that I bought from my parent as well. But I didn't want to be boring. I didn't want to buy another JBL used to take the safe card. So I started Googling and found that here we have a subwoofer that are heavily promoting that they have a soundbar with a subwoofer built in. So I'm gonna try it out before I give it to my brother. And I was a bit concerned about the size, just as I was with my own soundbar. I was afraid that it was going to be too big, but it seems to be just nice in size. So this is what they call a 2.1, 2 speakers and a subwoofer, even though it is 1 speaker. So as I said, we have the subwoofer built in. I think it's 160 watts, yes. And when I read about it, it says it's heavily on the bass. A lot of dynamic, you don't need a subwoofer, yada yada yada. So let's see how good it is. And I think the size is nice, the design is clean, simple. I think it's going to like it. So I'm going to compare it to my JBL soundbar that has a subwoofer. I don't remember the model, 5.1 maybe. I'm gonna link to my other video about that soundbar. So let's try this one out. They are very similar in size, so I think the comparison is going to be quite good. One with subwoofer and one with built-in subwoofer. Here I have the subwoofer for my JBL. I thought that I was going to be able to have them both connected via HDMI and use switch in the menu between the speakers, but that didn't work. So I have to plug them in and out one by one, or connect one via optical cable and one via HDMI. I'm gonna film this without any microphone, just with iPhone 12 Pro Max microphone. And I think that Venom bike car chase scene is quite good to test the bass. So let's see how my JBL soundbar sounds like.
Launch the drone.
Yeah, that wasn't hard to judge at all. There is no bass in that soundbar, none whatsoever. I'm gonna see if there is some installation in some menu thing that I can adjust, because this was crap actually. One good thing is that the menu is much clearer than the JBL. So I have turned everything to maximum, subwoofer level, bass level, yeah, everything that I could. And the dialogue part is good, it is. But explosion things that where you usually need a subwoofer, there is absolutely lack of bass. But dialogue is okay.
Oh, Jesus! You can take this guy, right?
He has got shit you will never see.
What does that mean? What are our chances?
Pretty much 0.
So let's see that exact same scene again with my JBL soundbar that has a subwoofer.
Get in the rocket! No! We won't let you destroy this world. Get die!
There is a lot of bass in that movie, and I don't have my subwoofer on maximum even. I think it's like on level 3 out of 5. So I would not like a soundbar without a subwoofer. That is very clear to me now. And I'm disappointed about the Panasonic subwoofer or soundbar that is also supposedly a subwoofer as well. But I hope my brother's gonna like it. I'm gonna give it to him as soon as possible so he can say if he likes it or not, so I know if I'm gonna return it or not. Because myself, I'm very disappointed at it. So yeah, buy a soundbar with a subwoofer.